Good morning everyone. Today we are discussing about MySQL. MySQL is a database software and I forget the founder's name, but many founded year, but many times it were revised होते रहते तो revision updated version released by it's owned by Oracle company. So this is the main thing. MySQL is a database management system software for managing the relational database, like 2-3 tables. There are huge data we can handle in. MySQL is open source database, is totally free. These are some
free, non-paid.
Non-paid.
Some anyone can use it. Put his data in his software and generate reports.
So if you know the language, you can design or you can make your own database.
No, if I put my all data in your MySQL, that could you are also access my data.
Yes. If you grant.
If I grant. Okay. There is an option when I put data in your MySQL.
Database management system used by Amazon, Google as well, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube.
Yeah, these are the public sectors जो use in
large multinationals.
Large multinationals. Banks also.
So these are some DBMS, database management software, mostly used in current organization, SQL and MySQL and Oracle.
Okay, yeah.
These are also.
Oracle is a part of MySQL.
No, all are different.
Okay.
Oracle is owned by same Oracle company, but MySQL is supported by Oracle.
Okay. MySQL is a part of.
And this is SQL Server from Microsoft.
Owned by Microsoft.
Microsoft.
On Google, for Google, which one
is there?
Which one used for Google?
This is not necessary that which one is for Google.
They
They can have their own
software.
own software as well.
Okay.
Features of MySQL's relational database management system that we can manage relationship between multiple tables. जैसे कि आपका ये हो गया कि multiple tables like एक bank has multiple accounts.
One bank is
account, but in same bank multiple transactions there.
Yes.
So banks maintain their relation between accounts and transactions, as well as in credit card. Easy to use. It's easy to use, but when we know,
Yes.
when we don't know about
Then you have
that is difficult.
not be able to.
It is secure,
totally secure.
totally secure, free to download, scalable, means we can use vast amount of data in MySQL.
No limit. No limit. There is no limit. Okay.
Means, but you have hard disk.
You need to manage with for
Speed. It is fast, flexible, and allows rollback.
What is the meaning of rollback?
Rollback means when we command a query, but we don't want, like Control Z in Excel, so we can roll back there.
Also there.
After commit, we can't roll back.
Okay.
So if one of the command is executed, then you will be able to
For testing purpose, ma'am, actually we update some data like my name is Jay and is by mistakenly taken by 35, but my age is 30. So for checking, I update 30, but no, still I want 35. So we can roll back.
So it is same as Excel.
No,
No,
Where is the
this
difference?
is not
Different.
integrated. with
Excel is also a database, but
that is a visual basic.
No, how do we know what is the difference between Excel or SQL basis? Because all these relation we also make in Excel.
See, in Excel we can store maximum 10 lakh data,
10 lakh rows.
10 lakh rows maximum. But after 2 to 2.5 lakh, it will hang.
Yes, it will start hanging.
It will start hanging. Yes.
Hmm.
If you manage the same Excel workbook file, multiple tables, it also difficult to manage the data.
Yeah.
A bank has accounts number, bank has transaction, bank has debit, bank has credit. Also, bank gives us offers.
Oh.
Huh? That's why the different table
They
are
have array
maintained
of
by bank.
services.
Yes.
Banks have an
So
array of
they have
services.
many,
They have any limit?
managed each category in separate.
Like supply chain, we manage PO, we manage PR, we deliver status. Huh? So we
No,
make
I
different tables.
understand.
Then after making different tables, we can manage relation,
Yes.
Correlate with the.
pull out the what we require.
So there is any limit just like Excel?
No,
No.
there is no limit.
There is no
In Excel we can save 10 lakh something 10 lakh something rows or in
10,48,576
Yeah.
rows,
rows and
16,683 column.
column and same as MySQL is same or anything.
So that's why he has written this is scalable. You can
Scalable
scale
again infinite
Approx billions of data.
infinite.
I handle in Airtel approx 18 crore. 18 crore in MySQL, SQL also, and there is a small database like a MS Access. These are the data types in MySQL. Like in Excel, we can use
Yes.
text, number, date,
Date,
time.
currency.
So these are text data types.
text.
These are numeric data type. These are data type. There are much more.
They have
Many more.
So,
There are
In one
many more
data-
data types in MySQL, SQL, but mainly used these are.
MySQL string data type.
String means text.
String is for text.
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 This is the programming language.
Every data type has their different meaning. If we fix a char and we fix the size like char 5, we can use only 5
Only
words.
5 characters. A, B, C, D, E.
If we can use varchar 5, then we can use up to 5. It may be less or up equal, not more than that. Same teeny small text,
Time.
same is text is a long text. Means approx 255.
Okay. Characters.
Same as numeric.
Okay. So this is a programming language.
Yes.
You have to, when you are going to make a program, then you have to use these data types. So then only the MySQL will be able to understand what you are.
I will show you some examples.
Yeah.
Examples in SQL.
एक प्रोग्राम अगर कोई बना
We want to
These are the constraints. Which
constraints and
means we are what we want. If we want in any cells, do not be put blank. So we can use not null. If you want unique, if we add unique, then it will be unique automatically. If you type one, then it will not type. These are the constraints.
check default or create index.
Index is basically used for quick information.
Quick information
Quick
or
search.
quick report.
Quick search.
Quick search also.
These are some most used command in MySQL, like a select, what we want to select, update, what we want to update in any column, any cell,
No, I think
delete what we want.
we can avoid too much of explanation because time is
Okay.
constraint.
yes.
Insert into what we
These
want
are
to
the
insert.
basic
These are the
commands.
basic commands which mostly used.
Which are mostly used.
Okay? These are some commands
Okay.
query, what we want to create.
Database.
This is the syntax for how to create database.
Okay.
These are syntax for how to create a table. That's it. For
Huh?
yes, man. This is too long. If you
Yes, correct.
if you want to start, it is too
There
long.
are lot in MySQL, so will do. Add new line in same pivot inviter. Yeah.
That's why I write it.
No, it's too good. But we, if we get live example,
Ah.
then we
You
can
can
also
show us live example probably next class.
next class.
Next
Yeah.
class. Ah.
That
Yes,
is
sir.
much
It is taking
understandable.
time.
Huh?
It is taking time. But
So
like
I,
like example is
let-
taking time.
This is MySQL
Okay.
Okay.
first interface.
Okay.
Root.
Okay. This is called database,
Okay.
and these are tables.
Okay.
And where when we create views,
Output.
it will show, but it will not in your database.
Okay.
These are store procedures, what we want in like a macro,
Okay.
and these are function on created function. Like as we look up function
So these options are inbuilt or you have created?
No, we create in here.
Okay.
All data you will create it.
Yes.
No, I'm talking about view.
No,
Views, store
this is
procedure,
not
function.
inbuilt. We have to create here.
Okay.
If we
have to
create
create.
views, if we create views,
Okay.
it will find here.
Okay.
If I create any procedure like a macro in a VBA, it will show here. It will create any function, it will show here.
Okay.
They are parts of database. These are tables. Tables is also their columns name, like column, index, foreign keys, triggers. Okay.
Open anyone?
This is a table.
Okay.
Okay. You can also use like that. This is a select query, simple select query.
Oh,
We have to go there for run.
okay.
Sorry, we have not used any. We have to use first our database, then we can use their tables. These are the details.
So this is useful where you have multiples or thousands or you can say trillions of rows or data, and you have to fetch the detail or specific detail. So then this is very handy.
Now, actually, some functions are not usable in Excel.
Okay.
Like we can, if we want two columns A table from two columns from B table, we have to use two times of VLOOKUP.
Hmm.
In query language, we can use one time of query, one query. A is equal to B column name, A is equal to B column name. Simple.
Mhm. So it can also be correlated with when we call our bank customer care, and I have query like I want to know what are my last 5 transactions. So I gave them my account number.
They put
So
there.
definitely they might have used this
Search
use
now.
command. Use
This is the database management system. The data is stored here, and these are links with their CRM system. When
So
Okay, no problem. I'll take the call.
please do the call.
ठीक है, okay, मैं समझ गया।
Okay, thank you, that's all.
good morning, sir.